Hello everyone, this is Adnan with another video series. This is a brand new series in regards to AWS Certified Solutions Architect certification. So just like all other video series, I'm going to start from really basics and going towards the advanced level. These all videos are geared towards preparation for AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam, and you can become a Solutions Architect and confidently pass the exam number SAA-C02 certification. So these video labs are suitable for all the IT newcomers or anyone who's looking for the change of career, experienced engineers or consultants, and IT managers looking to upgrade to understand their platforms and environment, project managers running to or involved with AWS project. By the end of the labs, you will be prepared for to pass the associate level AWS Solutions Architect exam. This certification is must have for any IT professional. The average salary is above 100,000 US dollars. When you have a certificate, you get a salary boost of 26%. Now, so the very first lab, in this very first lab, I'm going to show you how to create a AWS account. Anyone can create an AWS account. What you need is a phone number, a valid phone number, a credit card, and your email address. So let's get started. So the very first thing what you need to do is you need to go to aws.amazon.com, or you can look for free AWS free AWS. Actually, you need to go for AWS Free Tier. So it's a free tier from free tier meanings you'll get to use all of the AWS services for a limited time. Actually, it's for 1 year, but the use of the resources is limited, and this is a free tier for education, development, test purposes. So once you're here, you can go to this website, and from here, this is a AWS free tier. Gain free hands-on experience with AWS platform and products and services, and explore more than 85 products and start building on AWS using free tier. Three different types of free offerings are available. You have always free. There are some services that are always free. Then you will enjoy those offers for 12 months from your initial sign up date. So today we are going to sign up, and then for short-term free trial offers start from the date you activate your particular service. So there are some services as soon as you start them, so there are some short-term trials available as well. So here let's begin creating our create our free tier account. You need a valid email address. So here I am going to use a test email address, which I am going to get it from. So I'm gonna get it from here. Let me see. So I created this email address to create this account, and that is past trainings 01. So it at Gmail, the email has to be valid because you will be so basically you'll have to verify the email address by through an email. And here I will create a password, and this is your username, user ID that you are going to use during for this to manage this account. And I'm gonna name this past trainings AWS. So, and here this is just to validate secret, validate. So, and once this is done, it will take you to the next level. Okay, so here so this is K6YCPA. Okay, that is strange. Okay, so let me try this way.
Please type the numbers you hear.
Okay.
2,
0,
7, 6,
8, 4, 1.
That should do it. So okay, very good. So now that we are on the second screen, and on this screen what we need to do is there are two types of account, professional and personal. So in this case, I mean, we're not using it for any organization. If you go with professional, it will validate your credit card. It will it will validate your credit card, and it will charge $1 from your credit card just to make sure that your credit card can have transactions. Whereas if you go with personal, it won't go through that validation. I mean, if you go with professional, you will have access to, I mean, in professional and personal, you will have access to all different type of services. Here, for the training purpose, we're going to go with just personal account. And so here I'm going to use full name as past trainings at AWS, and here you need to enter valid phone number, country, address, city, and postal code. I'm going to enter all these settings, and I will see you in the next screen. So after entering the address and the phone number, now I am on the second screen, which is basically credit card is asking for the credit card number. So here I'm going to add the credit card number, and I'll see you on the other side. So after entering the credit card number, this is the next screen where you need to, it will validate your phone number. Once the phone number is validated, it will take you to the next screen. So now it's waiting for the validation code, and I just received the validation code on my phone. I'm going to use that 5308. So I'm going to go with 5308. So it is verified, and I am going to hit continue. So now that the account is created, now it's asking for the plan. So the free plan is this one, the basic plan. There is a developer's plan and business plan. So they start from monthly charges. So I'm going to go with the free plan for training purposes here. And so in this, we are going to go with free plan. Once you are in this, now it is showing you personalize your experience. Here my role is, so in this case we are going to go with IT administrator, and I am interested in so we are interested in, here we can go with websites. We can say learning and certification, submit. And so now once the account is created, one more thing, that you will get a confirmation email which is something like this. You will get a confirmation email in here, and there will be something like this email address, and now you're ready to log into the console. So I'm going to go inside and sign into the console. Once you sign in, so there are two types of sign in, root user and IAM. The user we created is a root user. So I'm going to go with the same email address, pass trainings01 at gmail.com. Enter and the password. So this So the user that we just created, is basically a user. It's the root level user, number one. So this user has full access to your environment. Here you see the user is logged in. The current region is Ohio, and we are logged in, and we can see all of the services. So in this video we have created an account. In the next video I'm going to show you how to work with AWS services. Thank you for watching this video.